Hello guys, how you doing today? Lucky Matthew with you. How you doing today? I'm super excited myself. We have so much good news in our community. People are making massive income. We have car program coming in anytime from now where people can freeze their Ultima and get brand new car for free. So long as you freeze an Ultima worth the car that you are looking at collecting. So it's a whole lot coming. And we have our bull token that has been listed on the exchange, currently trading about $2,000 for one bull split. And people are asking, how do I actually move my asset, my bull to the exchange? And how do I transfer my asset? Because they are asking me to pay a certain amount of fees. And that is why I want to dwell on this feed this day to show you why you should pay a fee and how much fee that is needed and why you should hold on to your asset instead of selling it on the exchange. Okay. All right, let's quickly look at it. And right now on the screen, I don't know if you can see it on the screen. You can see 5% gas fee. What is gas fee? Gas fee is simply a transaction fee. Before now, let me write it out. Before now, the company charges 5% gas fee for smartcoin and 1% burning fee in smartcoin. Okay. Just this week, when they launched the currency, the bull split on the exchange and other things, so they decided to switch it a bit now because they want Ultima, which is the main currency, to hit 20,000 between now and December ending. So this is one of the measures they have put in place to actually push Ultima price higher, right? So you have to be able to company. So let's quickly look at it. Right now, that was before, but now we have 5%, 5% gas fee in Ultima and 1% burning fee, energy burning fee in smart coin. Okay, now pay attention. Before now, all our transactions were charged in smart coin. So whether you're freezing your smart or you are transferring whether you're freezing your asset, be it booster, gold, VIP, business split, whether you're transferring before now, you are charged 5% gas fee and 5% burning fee, all in smart coin. But right now, because of this implementation, they have switched it. Now, right now, if you are claiming your reward, you are paying this amount, okay? You are charged this amount. But if you are withdrawing your asset or freezing your asset in the blockchain for daily income, you are charged 5% of that asset you are freezing in the currency of Ultima and 1% of that currency you are freezing in the currency of Smart. Now, it is possible to bypass these charges. How do you bypass charges for claiming your reward? Depends on the quantity of reward you have. Let's assume you have two assets that pays you daily reward. Depends on the value also. You can freeze some handsome amount of smart on your wallet, and that smart will produce what we call resources under energy and bandwidth. You freeze more under energy. It produces resources for you. So the blockchain feeds on those resources to execute transactions for you. All right. Now, once you have it frozen, the smart contract produces this energy and energy resources and bandwidth resources, and all your fees will then be free because it's producing. But whereby you do not freeze, the fees are not charged on your smart from $1,000 and 1,000 smart and above. Depends on the value of the asset you are transacting or claiming. Okay. Now, but right now, this is only applicable. Right now, 5% gas fee in Ultima and 1% burning fee in Smart is only applicable when you are transferring or freezing only. It does not affect you when you are claiming your reward. If you are claiming your reward, you also pay this. Or if you are frozen your smart coin, you will not pay it. But here, if you are transferring or freezing, you pay 5% of that, the value of that asset you are freezing or transferring. Okay, that you are freezing or transferring. You pay 5% of it in Ultima and 1% in Smart. So you should have enough Ultima frozen. Also, the same thing that is applied to the smart freezing of Smart is also applicable in Ultima. So when you freeze Ultima, most of your charges are free. So long as if you freeze $1,000, for example, and you are doing activity, maybe withdrawal of asset. Okay, if you're withdrawing any asset, so long as that asset is within $1,000, they will not charge you that 5% in Ultima. But once it's above $1,000, the excess, they will charge you 5% on it. Then 1% on Smart. But if you have not frozen Ultima, that charge will be on your Ultima. So you that has Bull Split, you want to transfer it to binance exchange, for example, binance.com. You need to look at how much do you really have. If you have 0.01, what is 1% of it? I mean, what is 5% of it? First of all, for you to know the 5%, you also need to know the market value of that 0.01 Bull Split that you have. Is written on the smart coin. Multiply it by 0.05. Okay? I mean 0.05. Yes, it will give you 5%. Tell you this is how much you need of Ultima to be frozen. Or leave it on your wallet. Now, gas fee 0.01. I mean burning fee 0.01 in smart. You also need that smart coin. What's that the value and have it on your smart wallet. Better still have it frozen. Do you understand that? So now let's do some maths. Now at this junction, I'm going to stop this one. I believe this is clear. I'm going to stop sharing this screen now. I'm going to close this whiteboard, sharing, and share my screen on the smartphone. So with that, I can take you right to the exchange. So I'm going to go to binance.com. Let's quickly look at the market value of Binance, of Bull Split on Binance exchange, right? So watch right now, watch with me. I go to spots and because I have selected Bull Split by default. Right now, one full Bull Split is $2,703. Now let's assume, how do you calculate it? How do you know the worth of your own Bull Split in consideration of the market value? Now, let's say, let me look for calculator. Okay, let me look for calculator on my phone. Call it up. Good. All right. Now, $2,700 multiplied by your 0.01 Bull Split. That's $27. Now, if you have 0.01 split, one Bull Split on your wallet and you want to transfer it out, don't forget you need 5% of it in Ultima and 1% of it in Smart. However, for you to buy this smart coin on the exchange, you cannot withdraw anything less than, you cannot buy anything less than $5 for Smart. Withdrawal fee is also some cent, right? At the end of the day, you're spending $5 or so to actually get the Smart, even though you're going to be getting way more than that is needed for your 1%, right? Now, for Ultima 5% fee, Ultima withdrawal fee on those exchanges is about $9 to $10, depends on the market. So $9 to $10. So which means you are selling $27. You want to get $27, you are spending like how much now? minimum withdrawal. The withdrawal fee, if withdrawal fee, for example, from those exchange is $9 to $10. So you are spending about $9 to $10 to withdraw an asset. So which means you must have at least $20 or $15 worth of Ultima. So when you spend $10, you have about $5 left. You see? Have it before you have to have it transferred to your smart wallet. Now it's arrived at your smart wallet before you can now make your transfer. By the time you do plus minus, you discover that you've spent half of the money that you want to claim and you want to cash out. So it doesn't make sense logically to want to sell it if you have small quantity. Look at my own, for example. Now I have 0.05. Let me switch to that one. Let's see. 0.05 will give me about 100 and something dollar. But guess what? I'm earning way more than that. I'm earning way more than that. So I'm switching to bull split. The bull, I have a frozen, I have about 0.05 frozen, as you can see there. 0.052 frozen on this particular wallet that I'm using for demonstration. So if I want to sell it now, I'm going to just multiply it by, let's go back to calculator, sorry. I'll go back to calculator, multiply it by 0.052, that's about $140. So a person like me can make that decision if I want to sell it, but it still doesn't make sense. I earn almost $2, about $3, almost $2, about at this current price now, I get 0.5, I get almost $3 per day for what I have frozen. So imagine $3 for 1 month, 3 times 30, that is $90. You see how much if I sell off my bull split, I'm selling it off about $440 or less because of those fees. You understand that? And in a month, I'm having this. Do you understand it now? In a month, I'm having about this, even if it's $2.5. Say 2.5 times 30 days, $75 times 2, 150. In 2 months, I've recovered the money that I wanted to trade with my split for. So guys, it doesn't make sense selling your split. That's the bottom line. You make more money here with our system. It's a system that has been working and is still working, right? So if you look at my wallet, I have other shares, including bull split and all that. The bull split pays way more than this. I mean, the booster split pays more than the bull split. We have booster. It pays more than the bull split. So at the end of the day, you are making massive income every day, guys, just by freezing assets. I want to urge you, beyond this tapping, now there is a break till February, beyond this tapping of battle bulls to get bull split and all that. By the way, before I even say what I want to say, from tomorrow, they are stopping freezing of bull split that is 0.01, that is at least 0.01. So the minimum freezing freezable bull split will be 1 bull split. So if you don't have up to 1 bull split, you cannot freeze. So you see, you rather take advantage. If you have money, look around, you should have money. There are things you can convert to money in your house, in your home. Convert it and buy the booster split right now. There is still promo, guys. At the end of the day, you're going to be making massive income. And guess what? You are just freezing the Ultima that you spent in buying for the booster. You freeze it and they give you a share. The Ultima that you froze is paying you every day for 12 months because it's going to be frozen on your wallet for 12 months. And at the end of the 12 months, you are getting your Ultima back. If the value of Ultima has gone higher, you are earning way, way more than you froze. While you are earning that, you are also earning the 20 Ultima from the shares that you froze, that you bought, that they gave you for freezing Ultima. You're earning that for as long as you want. That one is also sellable in the market. It's available on the exchange. The booster split is sellable on the market. So once you're tired of receiving dividend income, daily income, you can go and flip it for dollar directly, just like some of you want to flip your bull split. a money-making machine, you want to flip it on the exchange for bigger dollar, where you can consistently earn money from all of these assets. So guys, take advantage of the bull split right now. It's working, it's paying. From December 1st, they're introducing the car program where you can then look at the car, look at the value on our platform, and freeze ultimately what that value, and that car is yours. Within 4 to 8 weeks, you earn that car, ship it down to you for yourself. You can sell it to repeat the same process again. That Ultima that you spent, you froze for that car, you are freezing it for 3 years, and at the end of the day, you are making money every day from it. Take, for example, at the current price now, $100,000 worth of car, you are freezing about 15 Ultimas. 15 Ultima will pay you every day for 3 years. In that 3 years, you recover your money, way more than that. And you have your car already within 4 to 8 weeks. And you are being paid every day for freezing that Ultima. So you are getting the car for free, you are earning income for free, freezing the Ultima. Do you understand that? And at the end of the day, that cash that you froze is released back to you. This is a company that has been paying us. We've been trying to push the business. If you're listening to me from any part of the world and you want this business pushed in your area, make do in your area, and everybody that comes there will be registered under you, because by then you are now an ambassador. You'll be earning about 40% for each purchase they made, whether for the booster split or for the car. It's an amazing system, guys. The company takes about 1% of their revenue. Every other income goes back into the system, paying people and all that. That's why they've been surviving all these years. It's a fintech company. They're into ATM machine production, POS machine production, debit card production, and then online related businesses. All these are powered by the blockchain and fintech. Guys, this is a company like no other. I urge you today to keep making money, keep tapping Battle Boost, because by February, the second phase will begin. It will be launched. A second airdrop will be launched for Battle Boost, and you can earn more. Maybe by then you will be able to get one full bull split, and you can freeze it for passive income or sell it on the market. This is your friend and brother Lucky Matthew. Until I come your way next time, remain blessed. I believe I've given you value today. Bye-bye for now.